onije ike gwụrụ n'ụzọ ya ọ na-aga ije ya na-enweghị olileanya ọkada ọka
What?
Gịnị? Who am I seeing?
Okay.
Daddy G.O. Onye isi nkwata.
Hey!
One day shall never end. Daddy G.O. Onye isi nkwata. Gịnị? What are you doing here? Will you shut up your mouth?
Chai.
Will you shut that stupid thing you call your mouth? No, I am asking you, don't you have respect for elders? Anointed, dedicated, and castigated man of God.
Hey!
Like me. Man of which God? Are you okay? If you ever talk nonsense, I don't mind. How dare you talk to me like that in ordinary Valentine party?
What?
Are you not Daddy G Onyi Shinkwacha?
Okay.
Is there anything wrong with me calling you Daddy G Onyi Shinkwacha? Yes. Will you shut up your mouth?
Chai.
Will you shut up that stupid thing you call your mouth? How dare you talk back at man of God in that tone? Anointed and castrated man of God?
What?
A diabolical and evaporated man of God.
Okay.
In ordinary Valentine party, you stood me by the road and you call me names.
Hey!
How dare you? If I use the annoyance inside of me and visit inside the Bible, remember what happened between Elisha and Elijah during the time of the Canaanite. When children of Adamawa provoked Elijah and Elisha. He now used annoyance. If I use the annoyance, venture inside of you and then invoke a devourer's animal,
hey!
all the devourer's animal, they will devour you. If they devour you, you will not. Any day when you see me, that the G.O. of I wonder, sense I wonder.
Okay.
See me coming here. What an abago? Who are you? Who am I?
Are you?
Yes, I am the son of General Pastor Bunamini.
What?
If I mention the God of my pastor, you consume me here with fire. You don't know him. Who is your pastor? The man God is using to change the world. Eh? You don't know him. Pastor General Obunamiri. God is using your pastor to change the world. Perform wonders. Your own life refuses to be changed.
Chai.
You go around messing up. Which kind of nonsense the God of your prophet? Who is your prophet? Don't insult me here. You don't know my prophet. Who is he? Prophet Obunamiri. And so what? You let me call him. Hey! Prophet Obunamiri!
Okay.
My son, Daddy. No!
Boy, what are you doing around here?
I was just passing over. I saw this man that called his name.
Hey!
Daddy G.O. Only Shinkwacha. I called him Daddy G.O. Only Shinkwacha. He started calling me all sorts of names. Insulting me that who is my pastor? This one, that he is this one. I said, if you see my pastor will consume you. You don't know my pastor.
You are right.
Thank God that you are here. You are happy with us.
No problem. You know what will happen there? Just go. I will see you in the ministry. This fight is not your fight. Because this fight is of the Lord. Just go. I will finish it.
Thank you, sir.
Don't worry, you can go. Yeah. Don't worry. Eh? Let me finish the fight for you. Why did you bring yourself so low to the bottom? And you were exchanging word with one of our customers. So do you know that boy is my customer?
Yeah!
Sorry. My member. Why?
You know you are stupid. Oh yes! If there's anybody that is as stupid as ever, it is you.
Me?
You and who is keeping customers? No, I don't know about it. They can never know what being a customer. Even if I should have customer, even if I should have a member, they will not be other.
What?
The problem we are going to have in this ministry work is all these things we call our boys that go around boasting with our names.
I'm not going to all the Sibrakata will come, we do like this, Hajj and I will bypass it. After the Hale Kotoku, my papa will fight, my daddy will do this, my ministry pastor will do that. Hale Kotoran Yoku, Aragli Rikwani. If I am after on social media, I just want everybody to play within his or her boundaries. Do your ministry work. You might imagine don't come out and begin to claim what you are not. Besides, the power we are using, they say all power belongs to the Almighty. You and I know that there is no power here. All this is why you go to come and share. They may want to come fly. There are really men of God, which you know you and I are not.
Hey!
You are not. I am not. So how can I the Bible and they feed the family? You think you have power? You could take me aga. You share it. When they in a church, it's not all day with your boss. One day they say, these are my followers. Because people when they follow us, now them go rise us. The people that will bring us to the limelight, all of those are our members.
Are
the
you
people that will shower us with praises that will make the whole world to know, say, yes, we are doing miracles, we are doing well, we are doing this. We send our members. The people that will still bring us to the bottomless pit of abyss, we send our members. Because what you don't know, you don't know it. When I come, Madu Chori is that. Yeah, that. You took one is a cool, Gazakul. What the hell, Magiza,
okay?
It is not good. Let us be careful and always guide our followers in the right path. One of them who think Ghana, who did follow us, I leave you in peace. Peace of the Lord be with us as usual. Take care. Be careful, oh. Mind what you do. Mind the prophecy you give. As the Chineke Abraham, don't say God the same. I don't want to give God the same. Hand you child, you know God. Once I put on this shabu, everybody can face these days.
Right.
So, Mo Amana, I am no Zuba. Moya Gada, I'm doing my book. How would you say? I prophesy, you know, and I prophesy out. You got my him. Take care, oh. Yes. They need to beat you or let you make a person in the other. They need to beat you. Be something. Now we take God the glory and I make God not to look at what. Okada! Oka!